Good morning to my high schoolers. Today is Thursday, November 12th. Here are the things you will be doing for today. I'm N2Y, and I'll show you your CK12 once I'm done with this. So you will do your word study, your vocabulary words. Here is the storyboard we did yesterday. I'm sorry, not a storyboard, the game board we did yesterday. So if you want to do that and study your vocabulary words, you can do it that way. You will read our story, and you will have comprehension questions with that. And then with this box, you will put the events in order in which they happened in the story from beginning to end. Here's our writing for today. I will complete this with you. So we need a capital letter that begins each sentence. People's names have capital letters. Places have capital letters. Those are called proper nouns. And a period needs to go at the end of each sentence. So we're looking for 6 words that need capital letter and 4 places where we need to put a period. So I'm going to get my red marker out. Okay, this is doubled. So this is someone's name, Mary Beth. This M needs a capital letter. It would also need a capital letter because it is at the beginning of the sentence. Mary Beth is going to see the ancient Greek play The Birds. This is going to get capitalized because ancient Greek is an event or in a place, so it needs to be capitalized because it's of importance. Ancient Greek play The Birds, period here. The usher helps her find her seat before the play starts, period. I need a capital D here. During intermission, she buys a snack. First, so we need a capital F here. Beginning of the sentence. First, she buys a ticket at the Carousel Theater. Okay, this is a theater's name, so this needs to be capitalized. So we need a big C here and a period at the end of our sentence. At the end of the play, so we need a capital A there. At the end of the play, Mary Beth, okay, see her name here starts with an M and Beth starts with a B and it's capitalized. So we need a capital B here. Mary Beth claps for the actors on stage, period. So let's see, 6 words that need a capital letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7 because I capitalized ancient Greek, and I believe that needs to be capitalized as well, but that's just me. So there's 7. And 4 places we need a period. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we got them all. Next, we will place them in order of the events that they would happen. So the very first thing, she is going to go see the ancient Greek play, The Birds. First, she has to buy a ticket, so that would happen next. And then she would be taken to her seat, so the usher helps her find her seat. That would happen next. And then intermission would happen. Intermission is what happens in the middle of usually a play in a theater so that the actors can get a little break and the audience can go and get a snack. So that would happen next. And then at the very end, she would clap for the actors on the stage. So that would be number 5. And then this next slide, just make sure that you're checking off, yes, we did all these things. Okay. For math, you have different geometry boxes to work through. Let me know if you need help with any of these. And then for social studies, here is a we decide who is elected. This is just a little reading and then some comprehension questions at the end. So have it read it to you. Life skills application is the do's and don'ts of microwaving. So read through these. Remember to click on it and it will read it to you.
Chad wants to make some
Never use metal in the microwave. Okay, so you can work through those. Then there's a science tab here. I left it in case you all want something extra to do. I am not going to be like making sure you do it. This is just if you would like to, but I will show you quick. So if you just go through this, do an experiment. If you would like to do this, just make sure you have an adult helping you, and it just walks you through the different steps for doing the experiment and recording the observations. So that completes that for N2Y. If you are in Earth, Space, and Science, you will go to your CK12 website, find today, which is the 12th, and I have added the impacts of hazardous waste. This stuff is really interesting, guys. So if you watch, of course, read the impacts that it has on the human population. And there's a video you can watch. This video was very interesting. And then there are different questions that people have asked and a study aid. For the study guide, you can have a lot of the adaptive practice answers found through there, and then go ahead and complete the adaptive practice, and I will get that score. And then for my money skills, all my high schoolers complete money skills. So find today, comparing money and amounts. So this adaptive practice, you are just completing what is greater or less than depending on what it's asking for you to do. So which amount is less than 89 cents? So something below 89 cents. 129 cents? No, that's definitely above. 97, that's greater. 54, that is smaller. And then we have $1.20. So I would go with C. Check it. Yes. Okay. So that completes everything for my high schoolers. Let me know if you need help with anything. We'll get on a Google Hangout and I'll help you. And don't forget, tomorrow we have our Google Hangout at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for our news and hangout. Have a great day, everybody.